Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, February 15th. Hope you all had a good Valentine's Day. Now let's do a quick market update and recap on what's going on. All right, let's take a look at some equities. We got FEYE for the first one. So our previous video, we mentioned a buy zone here where I would start laddering in. I laddered all the way to the 85, so not every position got filled, but about 80% of it. So we ran up, we hit the fib, our target right on point, and then we worked down. Now I took all of my profit right on this fib, and I mentioned to be careful as we would be expecting a pullback. And I'm sorry I wasn't making a video yesterday, but I would have been looking at the 50 here or the 618 to retrace and then continuation. That would have been a second play here. So what are we looking at now? So I believe this is going to go down further. We're not going to make all-time highs again for now. So where are our resistances? So now maintaining this. Now this is extension on, by the way. So let's take that off. 17. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking at this fib to hold actually. So I'm gonna see this touch the 50, come up to the fib, and then retrace. Now looks like these got a little sloppy. Probably they were done in extended hours. So during extended hours, you want to keep your extended on. During regular hours, you don't want to use that. Excuse me. You don't want to use that. So let us come to the fib, come down, and test the 50 one more time. So I'm expecting this action to happen, which will hit around this area. So let's see, maybe the 50. Yep, seems a good support here. So I'll be looking at this to either hold, continue higher, or hold, pop, and then drop again. Now I'm seeing divergences again, and I'm going to be looking at the MACD2 crossover, possibly. If it does go in the positive, it'll catch my eye into looking for a long. This CMF is making some kind of triangle. Let's mark that. So it's got a little bit of upside to go. So we'll see what happens. I'm expecting this to go down and then up a little, or just fall down. Yeah, so this might hit here, go down, and then come up to where? Not sure. All right, Twitter. What are we looking at? So our previous video, we're looking at this box for target. Now before we were using the moving averages, so I'm slowly introducing these indicators to you guys as I see some of these technical analysts just throwing everything at you, and it gets a little confusing to look at, sometimes overwhelming. So as we go, I'll add some more, and then it'll become more clear as we go. So it looks like we got held by the 50-day moving average. We got rejected, we got a big wick, and a retracement. So we almost hit our target. So let's see where we're going to look for next. So we retrace to the 50. If we hold this 50, I think we have a shot of going up to $32. So I'm going to retain this target here for now. And I'm going to add these arrows just for reference. Okay, let's look at AMD. AMD, I think is going to pop before we get to that target. Excuse me. Sorry. So AMD, I think we're going to go higher in the short term. They're going to try to test this 2375 and somewhere around there. And then see how we test this. If we go through it impulsively with some volume behind it, then we can see some more upside. If not, I believe we're going to come down to the target as 20, yeah, actually a little lower, somewhere around this area. Now, keep in mind that the MACD already crossed bear. We are going negative on this move up. We are seeing divergences where you have lower lows, lower highs up here on the indicators, and you have higher lows, which is a bit of a bullish indication. It's a hidden divergence. So that's AMD. MU, we had a nice run up. It hit our target, and we are getting a bit of divergences here. Something to note though is back up. All right, so let's just say brush. So we're going to be looking at this cross to happen. Possibly, depending on what this action is, it'll either go up, just about crossing, then fall down, or it'll go up and then we get a death cross. We are hitting resistances right now. So I'm expecting a pullback to probably around the $40 area. So let's take a look at this. The zone, and let's pull our fib. Okay, so yeah, we're probably going to be looking at the 236 at 382 if we get a pullback. So it's about 30, I'd say about 39, this area that we marked before. It's our first target. Then our next target would be this magnet gets in the way. Next target would be around here to there. So our fib would actually be from this point right around there. Yep. So we'll be looking at the 50 to the golden pocket, or the 236 to 382, depending on what the retracement is. If this is a continuation consolidation to go into the upside, or if this is a pivot point into the next trend. So we'll keep an eye on this one. CGC, ACB, CRON, APHA, TLRY. All these are MJ stocks, so I'm going to look at that in the next video. All right, guys, trade safely out there. I hope you found this video useful or informative. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you have any stock picks you'd like me to go over in the channel for next time, go ahead and comment below. If you want to support this channel, would like to see more upcoming videos, go ahead and subscribe so we can grow together. If you have suggestions for future video topics, please comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.